Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 26th January 2026. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, the Father, Himself, the one you have been worshipping for half a cycle, is now teaching you. It is through this study that you become deities. Question: what is the wonder of the lift of the power of yoga? Answer: you children ascend in the lift of the power of yoga in a second, that is, you receive the inheritance of liberation in life in a second. You know that it takes you 5,000 years to come down the ladder, and that you climb up in a second. This is the wonder of the power of yoga. All sins of you souls are cut away by having remembrance of the Father, and you become Satopradhan. Essence for Dharana. First is, in order to become a master and claim the sovereignty of the world, conquer the main vice of lust. You must definitely become completely viceless. Second is, just as you have found the Father, you must also try to enable everyone else to find the Father. Give them the Father's introduction. Teach them the true pilgrimage. Blessing for today. May you become an embodiment of the 8 powers and experience the sovereignty of the land free from sorrow while facing the world of sorrow in front of you. Details are: it is only now that you have the knowledge of sorrow and of being free from sorrow. Constantly to experience the sovereignty of the land free from sorrow while facing the world of sorrow in front of you is a sign of you children being embodiments of the 8 powers and conquerors of your physical senses. It is now that you attain all of these powers from the Father. However, if you lose your powers because of one or another influence of company, or because of being influenced by any of your physical senses, you then automatically lose the intoxication and happiness of the land free from sorrow. Then, even you emperors of the land free from sorrow would become poverty-stricken. Slogan is, keep your power of determination constantly with you, and success will become the garland around your neck. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. In this Avyakt month, stay free from bondage and experience the stage of liberation in life. When there are storms in your mind, or when there are storms or obstacles through relationships, matter or problems, then in order to be free from them, become Yogyukt and Yuktiyukta. Until you become Yogyukt, you will be bound by bondages.